Ever wondered how much Expensify costs per person? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Expensify pricing, breaking down the costs, and helping you determine if it's the right fit for your business. Imagine a world where expense reports are a breeze, not a headache. A world where your team can submit expenses on the go, with minimal effort. That's the promise of Expensify. But before you dive in, let's talk about the price tag. Expensify offers a few different pricing plans, each tailored to specific business needs. The base plan, known as Expensify Standard, is designed for small and medium-sized businesses. It offers core features like expense tracking, receipt scanning, and automatic mileage calculations. Pricing breakdown. So, how much does Expensify Standard cost? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all price. Expensify uses a tiered pricing model, which means the cost per person depends on the number of employees using the platform. Tier 1, for businesses with up to 10 employees, the cost per person is typically lower. Tier 2, as your team grows, the cost per person may increase slightly. Tier 3, for larger enterprises, Expensify offers custom pricing plans to meet their specific needs. Additional factors. While the tiered pricing model is a significant factor, there are a few other things to consider. Features. If your business requires advanced features like corporate card integration or policy enforcement, you may need to opt for a higher tier plan. Usage. The volume of expenses your team submits will also impact your overall costs. Negotiation. In some cases, businesses with high volume usage may be able to negotiate better pricing with Expensify. Comparing to competitors. Now, you might be wondering how Expensify's pricing stacks up against other expense management solutions. While it's difficult to provide a direct comparison without knowing the specific features and pricing models of competitors, it's generally considered to be competitively priced. So, is Expensify worth the cost? That depends on your business's specific needs and budget. If you're looking for a user-friendly, efficient, and cost-effective expense management solution, Expensify is definitely worth considering. Ready to take the next step? Visit Expensify's website to learn more about their pricing plans and request a demo. You can also check out their online resources and customer reviews to get a better sense of what users have to say. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Expensify pricing or expense management in general, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy expense tracking.